Having learnt numbers, now shall we move on to the verbs? Today we are going to learn two verbs whose conjugation are similar in the present tense. The two verbs are partir and sortir. Partir means to leave and sortir means to go out or to exit. So the meanings are also similar, but it's not the same, it's only similar. And these are the two verbs for which we are going to learn the conjugation. So we will start by learning the conjugation for the verb partir. It means to leave. So what are the subject pronouns? First, shall we write down the subject pronouns? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. I'm sure you know the meanings of each of these subject pronouns as we are practicing daily. So now when you conjugate partir, for je it is je pars. Je pars. So I hope you have your notebook and pen along with you, because when you are learning the conjugation, I have already told you, you must write the conjugation when you learn it. So je pars, it means I leave. Je pars. For tu, it is tu pars. You leave. Je pars, tu pars, il part. So it is pronounced the same, but kindly note the spelling. Il part means he leaves. For elle, it is elle part. She leaves. So je pars means I leave. I leave. Tu pars, you leave. Il part, he leaves. Elle part, she leaves. So shall we see the conjugation? For nous, it is nous partons. Nous partons. What does it mean? It means we leave. For vous, it is vous partez. Vous partez. You leave. For il, it is il part. Il part. Kindly note down the spelling. Okay, il part. It means they leave. Il part. For elle also, it is elle part. It means they leave. So the conjugation is very simple. For je, it is je pars. It means I leave. Tu pars means you leave. Il part, he leaves. Elle part, she leaves. For nous, it is nous partons. We leave. For vous, it is vous partez. You leave. And for il, it is ils partent. They leave. And for elle, it is elles partent. They leave. So I hope you have taken a note of this conjugation. Now moving on to the next verb. Do you remember what was the next verb we were about to learn? Yes, it is sortir. And what does sortir mean? To go out or to exit. So the verb we are going to learn is sortir. Now for je. The conjugation for sortir is similar to that of partir. So once we have learned that, this is very easy. So as usual, we shall write down the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. Now for je, it is sors. Je sors. It means I go out or I exit. Je sors. For tu also it is tu sors. So if you notice, it is similar to the partir conjugation. Je sors, tu sors, il sort, il sort, elle sort. So it is similar to the partir conjugation. For partir we say je pars, tu pars, il part and elle part. So here you can see the similarity. The conjugation is almost similar. Now for nous, how did we conjugate partir? It was partons, right? So can you guess how will we conjugate sortir? It is sortons. Sortons. Nous sortons. For vous, yes, it is vous sortez. Vous sortez. And for il, it is ils sortent. And for elle also it is elle sortent. So you must have noticed the similarity between the conjugation of partir and sortir. Their meanings are not the same, they are just similar. Partir means to leave. Sortir means to go out or to exit. Now for je we say je sors. What does je sors mean? I go out or I exit. Tu, it is tu sors. Il sort, elle sort. For nous, it is nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent and elles sortent. So I hope you have understood the conjugation in the present tense for these two verbs.